So we're going to put together our gin pole, sky hook, whatever you want to call it. This winch isn't going on now, but it'll go on later, and that's what's going to lift things up. This top piece, this goes into a hole on top of the post, and it holds this in place. These two brackets here and one down the bottom are what holds the thing against the post, and this piece right here is for putting the plank on. Those two pieces we'll put on after it's up, just because that bracket needs to be oriented correctly, and it also makes it a little bit lighter to handle. So the first thing we'll put on is this guy right here. But before we put him on, just so we don't have to go way down and slide this up from the bottom, we'll put this on just to get it in the right place. So we get that in there. Now we're going to put this on here. Put your nuts on. They don't have to be tight, and just get them in hand loose and then bring them off. So now this has to be oriented according to this. And the way I'll illustrate that is by taking this, putting it like this. And so this is the post right here. And you can see that if this is going to go into the middle of the post, I don't know if you can come up. So that's dropping into a hole in the middle of the post right there. And this piece here has to be oriented so that it is parallel to that in terms of this corner of the post. So I'm going to keep that in this position, bring this one down here, and put this one once we get the holes lined up. So we get that, put this through, and this through.
Bill got it all figured out. Flawless.
Okay, so that's all we have to put on for now to get it up where it's going to live. And then we will put the bottom pieces on after it's hanging up there. And then finally we'll put the top piece on. So I'm going to take this over and put it in place here.
Okay.
Good. Okay, going up. Okay, you're going to have the whole thing in a minute. Okay. Which way? Go here. Yeah, right. We got a half a loft. So we know it's all the frame up here. So, but we had all the little holes, and then I looked, and I didn't even think about it.
Well, you want another water?
I think I have one still open.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, no.
There's lots of water, everybody.
Thank you.
Okay.
The middle one.
And that's...
Got it? Yeah. A couple of these spots against the wall.
Ready back in April. Yeah. Which is good. Nice for us now. Yeah.
Okay, Parker.
One small center piece.
Drop it on top of that.
That one was too big before.
Can you guys not over there? Figure that out.
Which way do we want these oriented?